Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Engineering All-in-One. In this video we will see MCQs on the freedom struggle of India. Already one part related to the same topic has been uploaded on the channel. You can go and watch that. So let us see this video starting with the question number 1 here. Question number 1 is the three roundtable conferences were held in. The options here are Mumbai, Kolkata, London and Washington. The right option to this question is option number C, London. Now coming to the question number second, the first roundtable conference was held between. Here are the options. Four options are given. You can read them one by one. December 1931 and October 1932. You can read other three options. The right option to this question is option number second. November 1930 and January 1931. In between these two, that is 1930 and January 1931, the first roundtable conference was held. Now coming to the question number 3 here. Question number 3 is the second roundtable conference was held between. Here are the four options. December 1931 to December 1931, April 1931 to October 1931, and January 1931 to May 1931, and fourth is the here option. The right option to this question is option number first. The second roundtable conference was held between September 1931 to December 1931. This is the right option to this question. Now see fourth question. Fourth question is about third roundtable conference. Already first, second we have saw the dates in which they took place. Now see fourth question here. The third roundtable conference was held between. Options are here 1, 2, 3 and 4 options are given. And after reading out these four options, the correct option to this question is option number D. November 1932 and December 1932. Now see one more question here. Hindustan Republic Association was founded in. Here are the options. Option number A is 1921, B is 1923, C is 1922 and D is 1924. The right option to this question is option number D, 1924. One more question here. Question number 6 is here. Who assassinated Sundiers? You can go and Google who was he. He was a British officer. Who assassinated him? The options here are Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad is the second option, Rajguru is the third option, or all the above. That means all the three assassinated him. The right option to this question is option number D, all the above. Now see one more question here. Elections to the provincial legislatures were held in. First option is 1933, B option is 1935, C option is 1937 and D option is 1939. The correct option is option number C, 1937. Now see question number 8 here. The Congress formed its government in 6 provinces, 7 provinces, 8 provinces and 9 provinces. So these are the four options. The Congress formed its government in 8 provinces. That means option number C is correct option. Now see ninth question here. Who founded Hindustan Republic Association? Here are the options. Option number first is Sachin Sanyal and Ram Prasad Bismil. Option second is Chandrasekhar Azad. Option C is Jogesh Chandra Chatterjee. And option D is all the above. Who founded Hindustan Republic Association? The question is here and the options are here. The right option to this question is option number D, all of these personalities found the Hindustan Republic Association. Now see 10th question here. Who founded Hindustan Socialist Republic Association? In the earlier 9th MCQ it was Hindustan Republic Association. but here is Hindustan Socialist Republic Association. Option first is Ras Bihari Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Sukhdev. The right option to this question is option number second. Chandrasekhar Azad founded the Hindustan Republic Socialist Association. 11th question is here. It is related to the foundation of the Hindustan Socialist Republic Association. In the earlier MCQ, we saw that Hindustan Republic Association was founded by Chandrasekhar Azad. Now we have to here identify the correct date on which date it was founded. The options here are option number first is 1928, second is 1929, third is 1930, and fourth is 1931. The right option to this question is option number first. Hindustan Socialist Republic Association was founded in 1928, while as Hindustan Republic Association was founded in 1924. Now see 12th question here. Hindustan Republican Army was established by. First option is here Sachin Sanyal, second is Rajguru, third is Ram Prasad Bismil, and D option is Surya Sin. So after reading out 4 options, we come to conclusion that option number D, that is Surya Sin, founded Hindustan Republic Army. Moving to one more question here. Who among the following threw bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi? Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Batushkiwar Dutt, and option number D is both B and C. That means both Bhagat Singh and Batushkiwar Dutt. The right option to this question is option number D. Both these personalities throw the bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly in the Delhi. Now last question is here. Who founded the political party called the Forward Bloc in 1939? B.R. Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose, Raj Bihari Bose, and Jai Prakash Narayan. 4 options are given. Out of 4 options, option number second is correct option. That means Subhash Chandra Bose formed Forward Bloc in 1939. So these were the 15 MCQs. I have tried my best. Still, if you fear any kind of mistake, you wish to add any extra point, you are welcome in my comment box. Also, I request you subscribe the channel. That is the best way to say thanks to me. If you have got even an atom of knowledge from my video, you are requested to subscribe it. Thanks. Stay blessed.